run for my money.
Happy birthday to you, how do you have a husband? I like that one, yeah. Cheesecake secured.
Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely.
It flew upon your birthday, tell me how. I wanna go do the gifts, man. I wanna.
I better find your loving.
Hey guys, welcome. What's up? If you're new, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today is Sunday, and we're coming from church. We're heading home. Yeah, so that's what's up for today. We are reining in Babe's birthday with a nice church service. Babe's birthday would be on Tuesday, so if I don't post on Tuesday, or if this vlog is on Tuesday, make sure to leave him a happy birthday down in the comment section. Right, sir? Yeah. So that's what's up for today, guys. When I go home, we'll go home, go do the regular, go cook, get ready to go back to work to take on the week, and just the basics. That's just the basics. And yeah, so I want to leave a word that I got from church. What's here? Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, from church. I think it's Galatians 6 verse 7. Alright, so Galatians 6 verse 7, it said, "Be not deceived, God will not be mocked, because whatsoever a man soweth, that's what he shall reap." So that's one of the words from church today. I don't know, I really enjoy this church. This church, my only problem is it's too far, but I really do enjoy coming to this church. And you know, it's an older pastor. And it's just like the pastor, he suits, I think for me looking in, he suits the spirit of younger people, older people, in between people. It just you know, it's just, I don't know, I like this church. Me like it. I like it. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm gonna keep on posted for the rest of today and let you know what is up for the rest of the day. Okay guys, I made it to the store. Oh my god, there's no right planting. Actually, a green banana this way, or it a turn right banana. It's a green, but I eat a boil level one. Let's get some. I haven't had any green banana in so long. We're getting some thyme, and then we're gonna get some scotch bonnet pepper. See that says scotch bonnet? Eh? I get none from there a long time there. I'm just gonna say scotch bonnet. I wonder if them the what you think them the hot babe? Guys, they have lychee. It's $10 a pound. Where back there? You have more bag? I eat that come from? Oh, get half pound. Half pound. Oh, so they have a scale you can weigh before. They have everything here. We're gonna get some ginger. This is where you get the cheapest ginger. They're very big. You get a lot for the amount of money. It's $1.99 for the ginger. I think we're lucky this time with it. Sweet potatoes $1.29. Oh my god. Looks like I can worm, right? Yeah, it's nice and round. All my hairs in Jamaica, I've never seen a Shirley this big. Have you ever seen these Shirley, babe? The long pack Shirley? No, me say if you ever, me never see it. Me not saying that they are Jamaica, me say if you ever see it. If you ever, me know the little pack one them. When I buy this, this. You can't call one. When I buy this, if the mid. Me know which one you prefer. If they had the Shirley in the, cause hold it. If these. No, $1. $1.29. Here. If they had that flavor in this one, I buy this like how we used to grab a Jamaica. What they have in here? They find a lot of Jamaican snacks in this aisle. Cream crackers. Look how I see cream crackers boxed up there, so it's the regular one, fluid one. We're gonna try the coconut water again. This one other one. $1.79. Let's see if the one are full of sugar like the other one. Hey guys, Morgan, what's up? What's up, people? What's up? Alright, so today I'm on a little mission. So today is Monday and babe's birthday is Tuesday. I saw a few persons wishing him happy birthday, but his birthday is not until Tuesday. So I am going to the dollar store and then I'm gonna make a run to Burlington to get something to finish up babe's gift. I purchased his gifts from last week. They got delivered from last week, but I just got the wrapping paper over why you slow down for me over the weekend, so I didn't get a chance to wrap it. Like honestly, babe saw the wrapping paper and me never did want to see the wrapping paper. Me never did want to have the idea about nothing. Me never wanted to have the idea because he had to help me to bring up the bag with the wrapping paper. If I had remembered, I would have taken up the wrapping paper and made him carry the other bag them. Him see it, him say, what this for? No like it, I like it. See me come here with all sit there by say, what all this for? I say, I saw something I go wrap at school. And he said, but you never said nothing. Can you give yourself? But you never said nothing. Yeah, but the thing is that he does not know what I got him, and I find myself always buying babe stuff that me think him want. You know, it never really. Most of the time I buy my way I really want. But this time I am really more intentional about the purchase for him. I got him stuff that will facilitate his fishing thing. He has been saying that he really wants something. So him been saying wanting. So I bought it. And then I bought something else to help like day-to-day something for him. And then I want to go to the dollar store to get like a gift card. I look at something, I can't look at something on the bed, because what I want to do, I want to when he leaves before me in the mornings for work, but not a long time before me, so I want to wrap my gifts, try to wrap it, because when I play FIFA, you don't know what going on in the world, you know. Or when I play this game we have now, he's more into the games. So I'm gonna try to get the gifts wrapped. Hopefully it work out like always. Where I'm really distracted. I'm gonna try to get the gifts wrapped while he is distracted. can put them out for in the morning for when he leaves. He gets back home, so he leaves before me and he gets back home before me at all times. So yeah, so I want to do like, you know, give them on the bed and whatever. Yeah, so I didn't come home and see that. Also, I want to go get like a cheesecake, like an entire pie, like just a slice, because I pack the lunch bags in the morning, so I want to put it in his bag without him knowing that I have the cheesecake, because he loves cheesecake. So I'm going to do it, put like a card on it, and put it in my lunch bag when he go work. That would be the first thing that he will see. Alright, so that's the plan. Going to dollar store to get any little confetti we can get for him. You know, some really age, I really grew up, because one time you could get me drive past, look upon earth. Right now I'm literally behind the earth with the curtain all draw. I don't know if something in there or not, but I have grown, because one thing you could get me for that, but all I'm getting realized said them something there, what do you call it, already making of the system can't change it. Eve did already go pressure Adam feed the apple and sin created, so can't really change a part there. Can't change a part there. So I don't get scared anymore. But really and truly, this earth is going very slow though. Yeah. So that's the plan. And then to what else? I'm hoping that tomorrow we can go grab dinner. We'll grab dinner. I don't want to be behind this stupid earth. We'll go past the earth now. You did? Yeah. So we can go grab a dinner. Yeah. But that's what I'm telling you, babe, no fussy about the birthday. But me see somebody come in the vlog and say, it's his birthday, not yours. Hello? You see when you know somebody and them just like, they're not really, you know, them say, oh, ciao. Or because of before times, like, it's not really a big deal. Like, nobody really make it a big deal back then. So then just grown for just not really make it a big deal. Yeah. Well, as I've been telling already, I'm not going to just be there and not let babe do anything. And what I'm doing is nothing, no excitement. Well, last year I did the most. Years back when in Jamaica, you know, time more convenient. You can get more time off. You have more time scheduled for your life. You know, you can get time more scheduled. So, but it's not over here, my love. And then last year, remember, so we worked together in Jamaica. We were teaching at the same school. But yeah, I'm just gonna do what I can and just make him have a smile on his face. And not like me, I don't know, no big nothing. Just to make sure him have a smile on his face, you know. Have a smile that is coming from deep down. That's why I said this year, we're not gonna able to do much. I'm gonna just buy things that him need to facilitate in hobby. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that is what is up. I am going to approach the dollar store now. There's a dollar store in where I live, but if you know the last vlog, when you hear me I say dollar store, it no worth fly. This dollar store never have nothing in there yet. Never have nothing in there yet. And if I was thinking, I would have when I take up the sunscreen this morning, because they're right with the altar there. But my thoughts were to go to the don't party. for you. Alright. So this piece looks small. I even never see them. This looks small though. Check this out. I feel like I'm going to go take care. And I must have sounded tired for me a vlog and a drive, not true. I content, you know what? So me I give my content in the best way that I can. And the best way that I can is to vlog while I'm in the moment. Yeah, people. Alright, we reach. I'm not staying long, so I don't need to carry anything but my car keys that are in my bag. Hey, I'm going look how I'm going with the lashes them. The lash that I buy from. I do the cluster lash. I'm going, man. One drop off already. I think that one never did glue down good. Girl, go on, man. She go on with herself. She go on with herself. Alright, people. Alright, so I am looking special occasion. I'm looking for birthday, but like, alright, his birthday. So we're gonna look to see something that says husband's birthday, grandson, dad. Happy birthday to a real hottie of a husband. Look at this one. Happy birthday to a real hottie of a husband. I like that one here. I like that one here. I'm going to get that one here. Let's see if they have any other more. The one that look boring. Oh, so them have one. Hold on, people. Husband's birthday. I'm gonna get this one with this card and this one. So my husband, God bless me with you. Alright, I'm gonna read what inside of them and come back. Hold on. I'm looking these stuff to put on the gifts that I'm going to wrap. Okay, these are big and they look them stand out, so we all get them. Yeah, I think I want to do blue. I'm really looking like let's see, blue. I'm gonna get two of them. Let's get another one. Alright, so we got two of these. Alright, let's get a gift bag. I like this. It said happy birthday with the balloons. I'm gonna get this. Get one of this, yeah. Guys, I'm looking like the petals, but I don't see they have any. You know, like them flowers petals there. I don't know if they had some here and they were sold out. Cause yeah, probably there's somewhere with them hanging decorations there or something. Oh, I'm looking, I'm not sure. They have the petals in white and they have the petals in pink. White and pink. Only those two colors. Why? Oh no. Guys, I made it to Walmart. This cake is $6. It's a French style cheesecake. Bless us, Shona, especially for those who are in Jamaica. You see this? You see the price of this cake? You see the price? These prices? You see all them dear at Jamaica? Can't buy? Anyways, I'm gonna just gonna get this with the one slice. One slice, right? Right, Tash? How about these? These are cute too, but what's up? It's a parfait. We don't want a parfait. We're gonna get get him love him cheesecake. So I think getting the cheesecake would be the best thing right now. Getting a cheesecake right now would be the best thing ever, right? Yeah, so I just want to get this. I'm gonna tell her just to put in lunch bag. So yeah, let's go. That's how we are getting. I'll leave. Guys, I'm changing. I'm getting this one because the other one part in bottom part break. I don't like the fact that the bottom part type break off. Why it matter? It's a nice, it's better looking, but yeah, we'll get the one here. One with two. Alright guys, so cheesecake secured. Burlington, and I wonder if I get through to Party City. Although Party City last time I visit, I think it's a lot down because I think Party City is in line with Party City and Big Lots. I think they're family companies, so I am not sure, but I believe that Party City is closing down too. But we're gonna check because I really would love to get the blue petals for the bed. I want to make a heart to put the gifts in, so that's the plan. That's the plan. So that's what is up. And guys, guess what? It's a workout in my favor. Me have to hurry up and go home because Aden is not there. He's not there. So I want to hurry up and reach home before him. Hopefully I can get home before him. Is this one way in, out, or exit? Yes. Oh, this is in. So let's that is in, and sometimes I can't take problem because sometimes when you go up the way there, people them phone up their face for you because they are coming through there. When I come to the part where they in, so yeah. So I'm gonna Burlington and Party City, their sister places. So this a place at the same part. I'm come through to say in, but it's whatever. I want to get home before him, guys. I really want to get home before him because I want to go do the gifts, man. I want to. Where this go? I really want to go wrap the gifts before him come. That's the only way I'm gonna get them. Because see that he said he gonna look fishing content. When he come home, he might go when he gets home, he's going to not go bother playing a game. He's not go bother playing a game because he would have already got the leisure for the day. So guys, I'm telling up Party City a lot down. They're closing down, so it's 75% off on the store. See, they're closing down. I just hope I can't find nothing still. Hopefully I can. Alright guys, so morning. Today's Spade's birthday. We just wake up. However, wake up earlier than normal. Then if I'm not here, I can be a whisper if you wake up or not. And me come out of the bed, so I don't know if him come back and sleep. But I'm gonna make him some fettuccine pasta because him love pasta. So I can make that for him carry for him lunch. In and out, so I make that. And fix up him bag and done do what I have to do. So yeah.
You run for my money. There was nobody, no one there to run me. So can you run for my money? Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Just love me.
Guys, we came to Top Golf restaurant for babe's birthday. Guys, we came to Top Golf. She say what, you swing it? Start game. Grab a club. So grab a club now. Do it. Sit there. Boss up. We had to practice. Where you gonna swing with your left or right hand? Yeah? Yeah, go on, man. So hold on, players. So how? Oh, you just do for me. I'm a player for. So if you were saying game, you have to go play for me. Can you see there? 15 rings. All right. Eh. Up next. Oh.
You know, drop one.
I said mustard.
Yeah, flat, yeah. How would that go? That's stuck.
No, it's not right. That's all. And then sit and tell her. Sit and tell her. Your turn. Ready? Guys, we are going to that side. What did I give it?
No.
Guys, we came to Applebee's and this is our first meal. She said this is the 3-1. This is the appetizer, so I don't remember the name, but yeah. Alright guys, so I got this. I think this is the blackened shrimp and chicken with loaded mash. And babe got his full rack of fries. Ribs with fries.
It's all gonna look like a baby at very cute.
A baby back isn't it?
A baby pig this a pig already. Yeah, ready for that. They kill poor pig already there.
You already yet? Oh god. I guess I can enjoy. Birthday boy is still here. You catch flu upon his birthday. Tell me how. How?
Salt. A joke.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna eat now, guys. So yeah. Guys, welcome. What's up? Alright, today is the day after babe's birthday. Not sure how much I vlogged, but we went to Top Golf to play a little golf, and then we went to we didn't dine at Top Golf because the menu never hot. Be like small finger food, burger. That's all they had. Wings. We never got this. We didn't know where we wanted to go afterwards, but anyhow, we ended up going to Applebee's. My meal was a 4 out of 10. Babe's ribs. I don't know if you hear it in the vlog where I said the pig young. Lick a binge or something, and he didn't have no meat. We never, but we still go. We still did something. We still ate. You know, the chicken was, like, I don't know who created the recipe. The recipe they don't write. The recipe they don't write. Chicken just have look a salt, look a black pepper, like, you know, when they bun up, and you know you have look a bun up aisle, look at something on there. Shrimp, like, who spoiled shrimp? Who really spoiled shrimp? Yeah, but so that's what's up. Yeah, but I just wanted to keep you guys up to date and make you know how it went. Babe really loved these gifts. He really loved these gifts, and as I told you, I got things that were like, you know, it was things that he needed, that he has been talking about, like wants or whatever. So I just did my thing, and you know, let my husband enjoy him like a birthday, even though babe sick. I don't know how big can have flu, so don't think my immune system weak. I feel immune system weak. Yeah, so I took up on the Cetamol them because we did beg Janice get Cetamol when she was coming. Cetamol, I guess we're so acquainted with Cetamol, and we know now it's a work. Because I have Tylenol in, but we still use the Cetamol. But yeah, I just want to end out this vlog for you guys. I am going to head home, start with some stuff, and that's what's up. Today is warmer than any other day. Would you believe that it snowed last week? And today it's hot. It's 65 with a little wind. So the wind kind of gives a little cool breeze, but it is hot. It is 65 degrees. 65. Yeah. This is the warmest day out of the week. So that's what's up. Actually, I'm gonna lock up my AC. Use this good opportunity to save a gas, and I'm gonna open my thing. So guys, don't forget to like, share. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourself until another vlog. Oh, before I come off, asking the door. Why am I always saying the vlog and always have something to say? Me give you hour worth of vlog. Hour hard. And wanna know what you vlog? Only 600 people watch? Sorry, Saturday. Me give you hour worth of vlog and wanna know watch the vlog. How come? Explain to me. I think we're not happy to have the long vlog. I don't can't bother. You don't can't bother? I think I'll get one hour vlog again. Because I remember I did 50 something minutes, I did 40 something minutes, and I did a whole one thing. And I don't look like I couldn't upload it. I don't rush out at all. I don't rush out. Yeah, so I'm gonna go now though, guys. Take care of yourself until another vlog. Lock on my AC, little music, and that's a wrap. Bye.